In this video, you'll learn where to create a dynamic list in SugarMarket, as well as how to complete the initial setup steps. Dynamic lists in SugarMarket are created through the Custom Reports module. To get there, we'll select Analytics from the navigation bar, then click on Custom Reports. Navigating to this screen will bring you to the list of your saved reports. To create a new report for a list, we'll click the Create button and select Advanced Report. The list I want to create is all leads who are assigned to me. To create the report for our list, we need to complete the initial setup. First, I need to select the data source. Bear with me as I go out of order. The first is Custom Views. Is there a standard view that you need that isn't available? The Sugar support team can create a custom view for your account, and it can be found through this data source option. Next is Single Table. This just means one table in isolation. For a dynamic list, you need to include at least the contacts table, and selecting this data source will limit your ability to combine more tables for more data options. The last option is Standard Views. This just means combinations of tables that are commonly used by SugarMarket users. This will include the 4 core tables that were synced from your CRM, as well as SugarMarket tables that host data from each module. We'll select the Standard View option because I'd like to include both the account and contact tables. Next, I'll select the Table View menu, where you can see a list of many options to choose from to build a report. Since a dynamic list requires the inclusion of the contacts table, you have a smaller selection to choose from. When you select a view, the report will only be able to pull records that have data on all tables selected. As stated earlier, I'm going to select the table view named View Account Contact, since this combines the tables that I need. Next, I'll select the report type. You almost always want to select Tabular, since this will display all the details of the report, and it provides an option to export if needed. Next, I'll add the report name and description. Your naming conventions are important for several reasons, including if you have multiple teams working in one SugarMarket account, so you should name your list accordingly. Also, this report name will be the name of your list when you go to add it to your single email or nurture campaign. So make sure your name is something you can remember and find easily. I'll go ahead and name this report All Leads Assigned To, and you can type your name here. This will be my naming convention for all leads list based on the contact owner. The description is required, so you can either copy and paste the name or give more details for reference. I'll go ahead and type all leads assigned to contact owner. In this case, it's you, so you can add your name. The shared report checkbox, if checked, will make this report visible to other users who share a role with you. If you uncheck, this report will only be visible to you when you're logged into your account. Last, I'll select the folder for storage. If you'd like to create a new folder for custom reports, you can do so through the Reports menu. I'll go ahead and just store this in the Reports folder available. Now that I reviewed the setup steps, I'm ready to click Save. In the next video in this series, we'll review how to set up the columns for this report.